Hello, and welcome back to the Fulbright Roadmap, a comprehensive 7-step guide to writing, researching, revising, and submitting your best Fulbright application. My name is Leah Rogstad, and I am a former Fulbright Spain Study grantee from the 21-22 cycle. And today we're going to focus on step 5 and 6 of the guide, which is brainstorming your Fulbright statements so that you are writing and revising your most compelling pieces. Okay, so number 1, you want to be direct and concise. So you want to make sure you're directly answering all of the questions as outlined on the Fulbright website for your statement of grant purpose and your personal statement. But that is with the caveat that you want to show and not tell, and also create a narrative. So you don't want to just list your resume or just list your accomplishments that I can already see on the biographical section of the Fulbright application or on your resume. I want to kind of know who you are as a person. So creating that 3D narrative with anecdotes, imagery, specific examples that you might have not included in your resume that show that you have Fulbright characteristics or that you've thought through the feasibility of the program. So for example, if you are an English teaching assistant applicant, you might talk about important moments in your language learning journey and how something transformed your perspective or ignited your passion for language learning, and how this program is going to contribute to that future endeavor. You might, instead of just telling me that you create curriculum for an after-school program, you can give me specific examples of projects you've led or accomplishments that are going to paint a picture of who you are that are not already on your resume. You might want to talk about how you've become an autonomous learner, because especially for those research and study grants, we are often on our own and we kind of have to figure out how to make things happen. And so being able to be autonomous and resourceful are really important characteristics of a Fulbright grantee, and showing that you have that ability is going to be advantageous. Similarly, you're going to want to think about what types of cultural exchange have you already engaged in. This doesn't need to be international or even travel based. It could just be with people in your community, and showing your ability to have cultural competence when interacting with people from different backgrounds, and being able to kind of participate in that exchange and um, arrive to a state of kind of mutual understanding, since that is the mission of Fulbright. And then last but not least, you want to make sure that you're always coming back to the question of, okay, why am I a good fit for this grantee or for this grant? Not just a good fit, but the best fit for this grant. And secondly, how is this so important for my future goals and my plan? And also, how is this going to communicate, or how is this going to contribute to my home community? Because again, there are 10 applicants that are good fits for the grant. So you need to be compelling in why now is this grant so important for you gaining the skills you need to contribute to your home community, or to contribute to mutual understanding between the host country and your home community. So yeah, those are my brainstorming tips for your Fulbright statements. If you would like a lot more of a comprehensive experience and kind of this very guided 7-step plan for your Fulbright application, feel free to check out the Fulbright Roadmap. I spent 40 hours writing this, and it is a very clear 7-step process to make sure you write your best application. We go through each of these different sections in the 40-plus page guide, and they all include checklists, lots of brainstorming and revision questions so that you produce your best writing. And I actually have a free checklist below in the description. And if you'd like to grab the full guide as well, that is in the link below. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be giving out lots more tips on how to write your best Fulbright application. All right, see you soon.